On Health Check 10 now, Rhode Island has one of the highest rates of mental health problems in the country.
And that's why Butler Hospital perhaps is seeing unprecedented demand for services. Health Check 10 reporter Barbara Morris-Silva reports.
Butler has been a busier than usual psychiatric hospital these past few months.
Last month, on one day, we had a census of 194. We actually only have 190 beds, which means that we had 4 people waiting in our emergency department.
Dr. Larry Price is a longtime psychiatrist at Butler and the acting president of the hospital. He says these are unprecedented numbers. As he checks his computer, that number is now at 179, but is subject to change at any moment. I asked him if he thinks the overdose epidemic in Rhode Island is a contributing factor.
Addictions and substance misuse is part and parcel of the picture for many people with serious psychiatric illness. And I think the publicity surrounding that may well have encouraged folks to realize that they have a problem and that they need help for it. So that's actually something that we haven't talked very much until you brought it up, but as you bring it up and I think about it, it makes a lot of sense to me.
Dr. Price feels there are other contributing factors. More people have insurance and more people are starting to realize mental illness is a medical condition.
As these conversations move on to the national picture, people see the national media here in Rhode Island and they begin to accept the idea that these are real diseases and it's okay and in fact appropriate for me to get treatment for them.
Whatever the reasons, Dr. Price looks at this surge as good insofar as people with psychiatric illnesses are reaching out for help. As a result, the hospital has added 10 beds to bring its total to 190.
We have added staff. We are processing people through the admissions procedures as quickly as possible.
Butler is also working with other hospitals to help expedite transfers of patients in need of psychiatric inpatient care. The goal, though, is to encourage folks to get help before it becomes so serious they require inpatient treatment. Butler Hospital does have a 24-hour hotline you can call if you think you may need psychiatric services. That number is 401-455-6214. And that's Health Check. Barbara Morris-Silva, NBC 10 News.